This is every aircraft operated by the Nigerian Air Force. Fighters, surveillance platforms, transports, helicopters, trainers, and drones, more than 35 aircraft types. Some battle-tested, some newly delivered, some still awaiting service, all supporting Nigeria's air operations. First up, combat aircraft. Dassault Dornier Alpha Jet AE. This light attack and advanced trainer entered Nigerian Air Force service in 1982 with an initial batch of 24 aircraft. Used for pilot training and combat missions, it remains active against insurgent groups. Nigeria has sourced additional airframes from foreign operators, maintaining an operational fleet of approximately 13 aircraft today. Chengdu J-7 and FT-7NI. These Chinese-built fighters joined the Nigerian Air Force during modernization efforts in the late 20th century. The single-seat J-7 serves as an interceptor and fighter platform, while the two-seat FT-7NI supports pilot conversion training. Around 8 aircraft remain in service as newer combat aircraft gradually enter the fleet. Embraer A-29B Super Tucano. Nigeria received all 12 Super Tucanos during 2021 under a foreign military sales program. Designed for counterinsurgency, intelligence gathering, and precision strike operations, the aircraft combines long endurance with modern sensors. Based primarily at Kainji, Yola, and Maiduguri, it has become a key platform in ongoing security operations. JF-17 Thunder. Nigeria became the first African operator of the JF-17 after ordering the multi-role fighter from Pakistan and China. 3 aircraft were formally inducted in May 2021. Equipped with modern radar, guided weapons, and electronic warfare systems, the type provides the Nigerian Air Force with advanced supersonic combat capability. Leonardo M346FA Master. Nigeria signed an agreement for 24 M346FA aircraft in 2024. Designed as both an advanced trainer and light combat aircraft, the platform supports air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Deliveries began during 2025 and continue through 2026, expanding Nigeria's training and tactical strike capabilities with a modern twin-engine fleet. Next up, Special Mission Aircraft. ATR-42 MPA. Nigeria operates 2 ATR-42 maritime patrol aircraft configured for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Equipped with maritime radar, electro-optical sensors, electronic support systems, and AIS receivers, these aircraft monitor activities across the Gulf of Guinea. Their long endurance allows extended patrols over coastal waters and strategic maritime approaches. Cessna Citation Jet CJ-3. The Nigerian Air Force operates 2 CJ-3 aircraft in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance configurations. Originally designed as business jets, they have been adapted with surveillance radars, data links, and electro-optical systems. Their speed and range allow rapid monitoring of maritime zones, borders, and areas of operational interest. Beechcraft King Air 360ER. 4 King Air 360ER aircraft serve as dedicated ISR platforms within the Nigerian Air Force. Delivered in multiple batches, these aircraft carry advanced cameras, sensors, and signals intelligence equipment. Their mission is to collect intelligence and provide surveillance support for operations targeting insurgent, criminal, and terrorist activities throughout Nigeria. Diamond DA-62 MPP. These Austrian-built surveillance aircraft provide a cost-effective reconnaissance capability. Nigeria operates 1 DA-42 MPP and 4 DA-62 MPP aircraft. Equipped with electro-optical sensors, surveillance radar, and maritime monitoring equipment, they support border patrol, maritime observation, and intelligence gathering missions across large areas of national territory. Magnus Sentinel MF-212. The Nigerian Air Force has ordered 20 MF-212 surveillance aircraft from Hungary to strengthen intelligence and reconnaissance operations. Designed as lightweight ISR platforms, they will support patrol and monitoring missions. Although deliveries remain pending, the acquisition represents a significant planned expansion of Nigeria's aerial surveillance capability. Continuing with transport and VIP aircraft. Airbus A330-243. This aircraft serves as Nigeria's presidential transport and is operated by the Executive Airlift Group. Known as Eagle One, the A330 provides long-range intercontinental capability for official travel. With a VIP-configured interior and substantial range, it supports the transportation requirements of the president and senior government officials. Dornier 228. Nigeria operates 6 Dornier 228 aircraft for utility and transport duties. These twin-turboprop aircraft provide short-range logistical support between air bases and operational locations. After years of limited activity, restoration programs returned several aircraft to service, including one airframe that flew again in 2025 after more than 2 decades grounded. Lockheed C-130H Hercules. The C-130H remains the backbone of Nigeria's strategic airlift fleet. Operated for decades, these aircraft transport troops, cargo, humanitarian aid, and military equipment across long distances. With the ability to carry heavy payloads and operate from austere locations, the Hercules continues to support a wide range of national missions. EADS CASA C-295W. Nigeria has ordered 3 C-295W tactical transport aircraft to modernize its airlift capability. The aircraft offers improved efficiency, greater payload flexibility, and strong short-field performance. Once delivered, it will support troop transport, medical evacuation, cargo movement, and humanitarian operations while complementing existing transport platforms within the fleet. Dassault Falcon 7X. 2 Falcon 7X aircraft serve within Nigeria's presidential air fleet. Designed for long-range VIP transportation, these trijets provide rapid intercontinental travel for government officials. Their advanced avionics, high cruising speed, and extended range make them valuable assets for diplomatic, governmental, and official state missions around the world. Gulfstream G550. The Nigerian Air Force operates one Gulfstream G550 for executive transport duties. With exceptional range and high-altitude performance, the aircraft supports long-distance international travel without frequent refueling stops. Its modern cabin and efficient design provide reliable transportation for senior government and military leadership on official assignments. Continuing with helicopters, AgustaWestland AW189. Nigeria operates 2 AW189 helicopters in VIP configuration for presidential and senior government transport. Powered by twin GE-CT-7 engines, the AW189 offers long-range, modern avionics and space for up to 16 passengers. These helicopters support high-level official movement and are operated by the Nigerian Air Force. AgustaWestland AW139. 3 AW139 helicopters serve in VIP and utility roles within the Nigerian Air Force. The type is widely used worldwide for transport, offshore support, and government missions. In Nigerian service, the AW139 supports senior official transport, liaison duties, and infrastructure protection missions across different regions of the country. AgustaWestland AW109. The AW109 fleet forms one of Nigeria's most versatile helicopter groups, with around 15 aircraft in service across utility and armed light utility roles. Capable of carrying machine guns, rockets, and other light armament in ALUH configuration, the type supports reconnaissance, escort, transport, and light attack missions. Bell 412 EP. Nigeria operates 2 Bell 412 EP helicopters for transport and utility missions. These twin-engine helicopters can carry troops, cargo, and personnel while operating from a variety of airfields and landing zones. Their reliability and flexibility make them useful for routine military transport and operational support tasks. Eurocopter AS-332 Super Puma. 5 Super Puma helicopters support Nigerian Air Force transport and logistics operations. With the capacity to move more than 20 troops, the AS-332 is used for personnel movement, offshore support, resupply, and general utility missions. The type has served Nigeria for decades and remains an important medium-lift helicopter platform. Eurocopter EC-135T2+. 3 EC-135T2+ helicopters serve in utility and liaison roles within the Nigerian Air Force. Their compact size, twin-engine reliability, and efficient operation make them suitable for personnel movement, training support, and light transport duties. These helicopters provide flexible service across military bases and operational locations. Mi-17 and Mi-171. The Mi-17 family represents the backbone of Nigeria's medium-lift helicopter capability. Around 6 aircraft remain operational following attrition losses. Capable of carrying troops, cargo, and mission equipment, these helicopters support logistics, resupply, humanitarian assistance, and tactical transport operations across diverse environments throughout the country. Bell AH-1Z Viper. Nigeria has ordered 12 AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters from the United States. Equipped with a 20mm cannon, guided missiles, rockets, and advanced targeting systems, the aircraft will become one of the most capable combat helicopters in the fleet. Deliveries remain pending as the acquisition program progresses. Mi-24 and Mi-35 Hind. Around 15 Mi-24 and Mi-35 variants remain active in Nigerian service. Combining troop transport capability with heavy firepower, these helicopters have played a major role in counterinsurgency operations. Armed with cannons, rockets, and anti-tank missiles, the Hind continues to provide significant battlefield support capability. Thai T-129 ATAK. Nigeria completed delivery of 6 T-129 ATAK helicopters by late 2024. Designed as a modern attack platform, the helicopter carries guided rockets, anti-tank missiles, air-to-air missiles, and a 20mm cannon. Operated by the 115th Special Operations Group, the ATAK strengthens Nigeria's dedicated attack helicopter force. Next up, trainer aircraft. PAC MFI-17 Mushak. The Super Mushak serves as the Nigerian Air Force's primary basic trainer. These aircraft introduce student pilots to fundamental flying skills before they advance to more complex platforms. With straightforward handling characteristics and economical operation, the Mushak forms the first stage of the military pilot training pipeline. Aermacchi MB-339AN. 6 MB-339AN aircraft remain in service as advanced jet trainers. Originally delivered during the 1980s and 1990s, they prepare pilots for transition into frontline combat aircraft. The platform can also carry rockets, bombs, and gun pods, allowing it to support light attack and weapons training missions. Aero LZA Albatros. Nigeria operates 11 L-39ZA aircraft for intermediate jet training and tactical instruction. The fleet was strengthened with additional modernized aircraft delivered in 2022. Equipped with weapon hardpoints and a cannon pod, the Albatros provides both advanced pilot training and practical introduction to combat aviation operations. Robinson R-66. 4 Robinson R-66 helicopters support rotary wing training within the Nigerian Air Force. These turbine-powered helicopters introduce student pilots to helicopter flight operations before progression to larger and more capable aircraft. Their relatively simple design, modern systems, and operational efficiency make them suitable for foundational helicopter instruction. Finally, we have unmanned aerial vehicles. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is one of the most significant drone acquisitions undertaken by Nigeria. A total of 43 aircraft have been ordered, with initial deliveries already reported. Capable of remaining airborne for more than 27 hours, the TB2 combines surveillance sensors with precision-guided munitions for reconnaissance and strike missions. CAIG Wing Loon 2. Nigeria operates 5 Wing Loon 2 unmanned combat aerial vehicles acquired from China. Equipped with multiple weapon stations and long-endurance flight capability, the aircraft performs intelligence gathering and precision attack missions. Its ability to remain over operational areas for extended periods makes it a valuable force multiplier. CASC CH-3A and CH-4B. Nigeria fields a combined fleet of 3 CH-3A and 4 CH-4B drones. These aircraft have supported counterinsurgency operations for years, carrying guided missiles and precision bombs. Their endurance, surveillance equipment, and strike capability allow them to conduct both reconnaissance and combat missions against hostile targets. Yabhan Flash 20. The Yabhan Flash 20 is a United Arab Emirates-designed unmanned aircraft used for intelligence and surveillance duties. Nigeria currently operates 2 examples of the type. Equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors, the platform supports border monitoring, reconnaissance operations, and target observation across areas requiring persistent aerial coverage. Tsegumi. The Tsegumi represents Nigeria's indigenous unmanned aircraft development effort. Developed through the Air Force Research and Development Center, the program demonstrates the country's growing interest in domestic aerospace capability. 6 aircraft are planned or under development, supporting future surveillance requirements while strengthening local technological expertise.